Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at Cetus Protocol. If you know Cetus, it was one of the biggest attacks on Sui blockchain, and right after the hack, it has gone down to it has already crashed, as you can see here, but still it's holding quite well. So I thought I should cover it, what is happening with this as of now. So in this video you will have the latest info on Cetus protocol itself. So looking at the coin, the token was doing extremely well, as you can see here, but that unfortunate hack basically did not serve it quite well. As you can see here, it's already down over 100%, which is a massive crash from hitting as high as 21 cent, and as of now it's trading around 11 to 12 cent, as you can see here. So again they are up again, so that's pretty good for the token, I would say, but it is hard to gain the trust again because they have had a massive hack, as you can see here. So it all started on 22 May, as you can see here. I think the funds were around 200 million, and as you can see here, the hacker was able to get 60 million, and the rest was frozen by the Sui validator. So this situation was also not good for Sui as well, because they froze the fund that basically says that Sui's blockchain is not that much decentralized. So this was not good for Sui as well as Cetus as well. So it was not a good one, but at least they were able to save around 162 million worth of funds, so which is a lot, as you can see here. So basically after that, Cetus requested a community driven vote to recover the funds frozen following the last week's hack. So they did this. They had a massive votes going on, and the vote actually went through, so that was a pretty good one. And as you can see here, so these wallets these funds will be given back to the users. Now the Cetus has actually relaunched the token, or the relaunched the protocol. As you can see here, they are back, and now they also have a recovery plan and a relaunch plan as well. So this is their Cetus relaunch, incoming, recovery plan, and the road ahead. So this is what they explain what happened, and after that their response was that they identified and patched the vulnerabilities or whatever was the problem. They worked with the Sui validators and the community to vote on those frozen funds. They also secured a dedicated recovery loan from Sui Foundation, so that's good. They also fixed all the affected pool data to restore correct pricing, and they also carefully rebalanced assets and prepared pool refills, so that's pretty good. They also developed a new compensation contract to fairly address users' losses. They also completed thorough security audits on all core fakes, so that's good. Now they are moving forward. As you can see here, they have a relaunch plan. They will be going live on June 8th, as you can see here, and all the users will be able to access the full features of the Cetus. And they also have pool recovery and liquidity recovery, so that's good. Now they will be making compensation via Cetus token. So due to the assets limitation, they are unable to restore all affected pools to 100% liquidity immediately. As a part of their commitment, they will use Cetus token to compensate for the liquidity loss. So they are allocating 15% of the Cetus supply to compensate contract, including I believe the team's remaining vested tokens, which accounts to around 10% of the supply. These compensations tokens will be vested through the following schedule, as you can see here. So 5% will be immediately claimable at relaunch, 10% will be linearly unlocked every month over the next 12 months. So 15%, which is a lot, I think, around if we look at the total supply, it's going to be around 115 million Cetus token in the market, and 5%, basically 50 million token, will be at the relaunch. So that means it has a lot of sell pressure, and every month they will basically be giving, I believe, around 10, something like 10 million tokens, and that is going to be a pretty big sell pressure for this coin. So I think overall it is pretty good for the Cetus protocol in the long run, and they are trying to regain community's trust. But I think this is going to be a massive sell pressure for the Cetus token, because I don't think that whoever actually lost money is going to trust Cetus as of now, and they will most likely take profit in the Cetus token. And as you can see here, we have already seen a massive sellout from 13 cents to as low as 11 cents. So I think this will most likely continue as the users starts getting their tokens. So this is not good in general for the token, I think. But again, if you look at the Cetus itself, it has started to get some recovery. So its TVL has gone, it went from 238 million to as low as 33 million, and as of now it has it is back to 125. So that is pretty good, I think. As of slowly the protocol itself is recovering, but I'm not sure how that will impact Cetus token in general. So they are giving out Cetus token to the market, and I think that may not turn out to be that much well for the Cetus token in general. But again, if you are planning to trade this coin, or if you bought it somewhere around here, I think it could be a pretty good dollar cost average as of now. At least what I'm looking at a pretty good rebound, at least from once it hits around 7.6 cent, because I think we will most likely see some sell pressure coming in. But again, I think now, because of this announcement, the token, because of this compensation via Cetus, I don't think that it is going to be a pretty positive thing for the token, because this will increase the supply of the Cetus in the market. That means the price will most likely correct itself to that supply. So I think the token is going down as of now. And if you look at overall DeFi situation, the Sui again has started to recover after the Cetus hack, as you can see here, and now we have Bluefin as the biggest DEX. So that's not good for the Cetus in general. So their first place is already overtaken as the biggest DEX. So I think this recovery plan will most likely impact Cetus token in general, and unless they announce something big and groundbreaking news, I think the token will most likely go down. And the first support that I'm looking at is around 8 cent. After that, if it doesn't hold, it will most likely go as low as 5 cent. Anyway, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.